Hey guys, my name is Susie and I'm with Simon.
Look at it.
I am awake, I'm alive. What is going on? Can you say it? Welcome to my channel, darlings. Kalibizeke mamelongo na hamoyake. Dulanto tsiba. Asaka poso homona homonate. Mpho pele re kenella nthong monate. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the post notification to get notified every time I post a new video. Enjoy.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? Whoa.
Hey darlings, please excuse my voice, I've got flu, but let me do a little tour for you. So this is what you see when you walk in. 2 chairs, a coffee station, as well as a safe. We've got a little mirror here. There is our bed. This is what the bed looks like, guys. They also gave us 2 chocolates, cute. We also received 2 complimentary sleepers as well as gowns, and we've got a welcome note board on the bed that reads welcome Mamelo and Mpho. Thoughtful, love it. Anyway, off to my favorite part of the room. Are you ready? Ta-da! The bathtub. No, it's actually, I should have said my favorite asset of the room is, not my favorite part of the room is, you know. Anyway, guys, I'm obsessed with this bathtub. I wanted to create content here, but the lighting is whack. So if ever you want to come here, I'm advising you now, backup light, my darling. Anyway, this is what I look like. This is my outfit. Check, check, check. Yeah, so obsessed with this bathroom. Not really bathroom. Obsessed with the bathtub. This is the room overall, guys. Little TV, little what, old what. You see, we're not here for the room, so let's get right into the vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey darlings, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mama Munyake. Thank you so much for tuning in. If it's the first time here, welcome darlings. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you've been here, you are a returning subby. Thank you so much for the love and support, guys. guys, we're running so late. I know I didn't introduce the vlog. I did not even tell you guys who din sang lang. But as you saw from my previous vlog, I did mention that so yeah, here I am. We've arrived. We just wanted a getaway, and just a young getaway, just to connect with nature and all of that. It's almost 3 now. We've got our massage appointment, so we need to quickly change into our gowns so that we can get ready for our massages. I cannot wait. Need it, okay? So I'm going to kiss the hair, guys. Hi, bye. Outfit of the day. Bumper.
You prey on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you're innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart.
Hey guys, so we are about to take off our gowns now so that we can get started with our massages. I'm so excited.
I'll get you up, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You're misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down better, making me lose my mind, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times.
You guys are about to have lunch now. We don't have lunch. We didn't eat. We didn't eat since morning. We didn't have breakfast, so we are gonna have steers now. We're gonna have steers because the restaurant is closed. We knew Velo by the time we get here, that was so quick. Big girl. One for me, one for Pombo. Period. Ooh, lovely. And we are gonna down our food with this queen right here and Mpho. See the vibes, guys. Indoda engikhiphile ibile ke ntho bebe ke Mother's Day, ke Mother's Day month, king Mother's Day month or Mother's month, where Mother's Day month. Indoda ifuna ukudla indoda enkwatisa. Hey guys, welcome back. Actually no, yeah, welcome back. Yo guys, yeah, there's a lot going on. We're just chilling. Mpho went to the car now to go get our cooler. Ngoba siyaphuza oh siyaphuza i-workers day ngihlele indoda yami before kusasa nje zishuba, you know. So I'm having black crown. Also guys, I just want to you know this thing of me and not doing my nails, it's not it. So this is what happened, you know? I was supposed to get up early in the morning so that I can go get my nails done, right? I couldn't wake up early, guys, because we literally slept at 3:30 a.m. Yeah, we slept at 3:30 a.m. So I couldn't wake up early in the morning to go do my nails, and I was just like, you know what, it is what it is. This was literally just until fast did you get, so I might as well just go get stick-ons. And then I went to this other store that I know and I get look into shop where I bought my previous ones, because now guys and then I don't know what's going on. So the first packet, I don't know what happened to it, it's lost. So this morning guys, okay, I'm late, it's booked, it's fully booked, and obviously we can't be wasting any time, we can't be wasting any more time, because it's literally like 2 hours drive from where we live to here. So okay, what's again, and also it was gonna be more, obviously very really more, because we had to pass by the shops to go get food. We didn't have breakfast, guys. Guningi, there was a lot happening. So sharpo, I went to the store in thinking I'm gonna get stick-on nails. When I got there, how na more to guys, I went to the other one, more on the hair piece, likely get to and then I bought the lashes that I have on now, and again stick-on nails. Did I show you guys? I don't know if I did or not. Okay, so guys, I went to the other store, Rex on the hair piece. Askisi baby, guys, no Mutaka Askisi. So I went to the other store, Morix on the Hippies, Askis Bumper, where Morix on the Hippies got in, and then I bought stick-ons, guys. And then they started falling off. I was like, no freaking way, I'm not gonna do this. I'm not gonna do this to myself. Luckily, I had my nail polish with me, so I decided to put it on. It looks like a complete mess, but it's not that bad, guys, compared to what I had on and not having anything at all. No. And then this side, I couldn't apply it properly, so I'll fix it. Not Luna's kashebang fela manala. Luna shebang fela ho again. They're just having a good time. They're connecting to nature. This is very, very nice. Also, this lodge is so pretty. It's literally so pretty. Itinerary for the day, nothing much really. Today we just want to relax, but we're gonna go to the hot tub at 5. Then later, I think we'll see, we'll just go around the lodge just to see just to show you guys around. Also another thing that I really like about our room is the bathtub. Okay, the bathtub, the room overall, the room, I give it a 7. I really like it. The only thing is black on black, black on black, period. Baby, I'm gonna take you a picture. Got double black, but how baby, you're gonna look so cute. So what was I saying? Mpho, it's hot on this step. So hey guys, here I give it a 7. The room, yeah, the room, I give it a 7 overall. It's a really nice room. The only thing I don't like about it is the wardrobe as well as the TV. It's quite tiny. I love the bathtub. I love the little tea station, coffee station, and the chairs that they have there. So yeah, that's basically the only things that I like about the rooms. But I don't mind the wardrobe really. we're not here for the room. We are literally here just to connect with nature, because this is one of those places where if you really want to, you know, connect with nature to that extent, then you can literally come here. So that's what we did. We decided to come here, and best decision ever. Best decision ever, guys. Also, this was like an impulsive decision, because Mpho was just like, Momo, buka baby. Buka baby. Buka go phumola mothwaka, because it's gonna be hectic, and I know that it's gonna be hectic. So let's present, guys. Bye. What do you want, baby? Black.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you.
Guys, nakupa utoka hot tub. Mpho. Guys, Mpho one group. Kubozo, like serious kubozo. Kubozo matu. Mpho kubozo. Where the air boy, guys? Where the air? How did you bounce?
Ready.
Mama, baby, I think we should shower and then we're looking like a hara bathtub later. Hey.
Yeah.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Not sure about the lighting, but it is many hours later. We are back from the hot tub. It wasn't that hot, but it was lukewarm. It was okay. Enjoyed it. We enjoyed it so much. Yeah, we had a bonding session, so obviously really we had to cut the video and put the phone away just to bond a little bit, you know. Then we got back, Relaxation, and then we got into the bathtub to take a bath so that we can prepare for dinner. So we are gonna go to the restaurant so that we can have something for dinner. I don't even know what I'm gonna wear because we're not planning on eating here. We didn't plan on eating here. We're actually thinking of going out to go buy food. So we are so lazy. We decided to buy, you know what, let's just eat here. Good evening, guys. Good evening. So yeah, let's do that. Let us prep. Quickly wanna charge my phone, so I'll see you guys at dinner. Okay. What's the time? What time is it? It's 6:15 now. Our dinner is at 7. Yeah. Still have a few more minutes left. Guys, let me go outside, chill with Mpho a little bit, connect with nature. Maybe we might go to the we'll see what we do, because ish, guys, it's a makapele. Heading to dinner. Dinner. What is this laugh?
damaged. One man's trash is another man's baggage. Slow you down, I ain't going nowhere. Spacesuit on, can't breathe this air. TNT going off in here. Ain't we up there? Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me. One more shot, one more round. Take my hits, pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot, one more round. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose. Don't step on my rose. Step on my rose. Step on my rose.
We're gonna go angry. We're gonna go angry for the day. Mpho, guys, I was close the vlog for the day. Saying so really, I'm closing the vlog for the day. Good night. Good night. Bye.
My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, because you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving.
What's a majal? Oh, I hope la wrong turn. Better we can take the left. But I don't know end, guys. Like an emo. Like an baby, like one appeal. How well? I should have taken more biltong. I think I'm gonna need it. Go behind, guys. Chigamo. Yeah? We should follow the trail. I can't wait to reach Chiga. Well, I wanna. Mpho. I sang you baby. Ke go jwetsa mfana. Okay, ha o khonale. Re a go Mpho. Bana re tla lahleha mfana. Guys. Hi, ngeke. Oh. We're continuing. I see me. We are not fit. That's how we go.
Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do.
My name is Susie and I'm with Simon. Yeah.
Do you want one?
What?
One of those. Hi. Rodrigo. Hike.
We are not fit, baby.
Hike.
Yeah, it's how I put it on my
It's a face. Let's go.
Cake. Yes, I think we are not fit, but we're doing this, right, baby? We are doing it. Look deep into nature, and you will understand everything better.
So look deep.
Michelle, cake. Libilu is beating so fast. Roll as fuck. Because we're gonna get lost going back. There's no way back. So that we can appear that other side. Let's go.
Hafethu. Amela. O khathetse je ba re tswa kae. Ke tsebe fletlo bona. Mara yanong wa wanyewa. O trailing. Wanyewa hafethu. Baby. Mshebi. Look at her. Look at her. Yeah? She's tired though. She's tired. Hurry, mom. Hurry. Can I meet you? No sparkling water.
Finally don't get no fuss. Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. see you climbing. Been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way.
Good morning, guys. I know we haven't spoken since, but I am awake, I'm alive. Yeah, this is the day the Lord has made. What I mean by that is that, guys, I finished a trail. I was so exhausted, but here I am. I finished it, guys. Kudos to me, guys. Gichuluke. Because hey, this thing, it looks easy, but it's really isn't. It really isn't easy. It looks easy, but it's not. And also, the sun. There's a lot going on. So hence, Gichuluke. And today was just one of, guys, I'm so happy. And there's something that I once dreamt, there's something that I once dreamt being given to me, and till this day I've been asking myself, where is it? Because obviously I can't just, like, I wanted a confirmation, and I've been asking from my ancestors for that confirmation, and today at our hiking trail I found it. And to think, I was actually thinking about it in my head. Okay, what if but I know it's something that you can't find. It's something that you can't find. It's something that you can't find. Go dithateng, dithabeng. Well, I guess I'm not sure, but but for me to find it there, and guys, also the route that we took, we didn't take the other route. We took a different route just for the scenic route, basically. So because we wanted to see the mountains close range, so we took the scenic route. We were even thinking of going back, but we're like, no, we're doing this. And before we got to Kasetin, the scenic route, when we got to the mountains, I prayed, right? And I just wanted direction. I just wanted everything. I just wanted like clarification of something. And something that I wanted clarification of while walking there by the hiking trail, I was just like, what if and I was thinking about it in my head. I didn't tell Mpho about it. How, guys, I see it. And I was just like, really? There was no way, guys, I was gonna leave it there. I took it. I took it, and you can't find it anywhere but in water. So for me to find it here, that's all I'm gonna say. For now, though, let's go to Harties. We are going to Harties, guys. We are going to Lion Park to feed the giraffes. Then we're gonna go back home. Yeah, let's go.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. Yeah.
us do something that I'm not really so sure about. We are literally applying for a death right now because Indota wants us to go on a self-drive. Because with the we're thinking of going with King the boss's Zamo, but now thing this was shy. So instead we've decided that we're gonna Mpho, are you sure? Mfana tla re shebe giraffe baby re tla bona mfana never mfana Mpho about this.
It's so hard to explain, but the words is the pain when you're breathing out my name. Gloria, please, don't cry for me. Don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please. Oh, Gloria, please. Don't cry for me. Why do everything that's good in life always come to an end? We letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got a look on your face. Got a look on your face. It's hard to explain, but the words that stop pain when you pronounce my name. And you say Gloria, please.
I said close your windows. Look at my window. That time sihamba nomkhulu. Just izenzayo emhlabeni kaJehova. Wow. It's been hot. No. It's hot.
Not yet to cry. Gloria, Gloria, please. When you pronounce
Guys, we're going back home now. It's home time. We did it, guys. We did it. I'm so proud of us. We literally did it. Yo, please don't mind me, guys. I'm trying to hide my face because now I look horrible. My makeup is just all over the place because of it is very hot, and also, hey guys, yeah, we were quite scared. So yeah, we're going back home now. Sikhumbule ingane yethu manje. Oh, let's go.